Hi guys, Primrose here. So today I have been doing some cleaning, trying to tidy up my plants, doing some trimming, and I came to this one. I couldn't decide whether to cut it back. It's my stacked crassula. So when I first got it, it was this tall, and it's been a year now, and look how tall it is now. So it was leaning all over the place, and I had to stake it, and I just couldn't decide. I do not want to lose that 1 year growth, and it's in that tiny old teapot. It is such a beautiful plant, so I think I will keep it like that. I don't know, I can't decide. And there are more coming out, new growth. So that's one at the back, and I got two here, and I have another tiny one right there. So that's all I have to share today, and I am wishing you all a happy weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye.